Ibrahim Traore, Burkina Faso's 36-year-old interim president, was shortlisted for the 2025 Nobel Peace Prize, announced on July 27, 2025, by the Norwegian Nobel Committee, sparking global debate. Background: born in 1988 in a poor Burkina Faso village, Traore rose through the military, driven by a desire to serve a nation plagued by poverty, insurgency, and foreign exploitation. Ibrahim said that I will never be their puppet. Ibrahim Traore rejects Nobel Peace Prize. He says my country, Burkina Faso, are the real heroes and I am their servant.